Welcome aboard this beautiful 2006 Mainship 400, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Mainship 400 is highly respected in the boating community for its combination of classic trawler design and modern amenities. This model features a fiberglass hull with traditional down-east profile, offering the seakeeping abilities and efficiency that Mainship is known for. Mainship vessels are renowned for their robust build quality, and the 400 is no exception. The craftsmanship and materials used throughout this vessel are top-notch, ensuring durability and comfort for years to come. Wide, secure walkways and tall handrails make moving forward and aft safe and easy, whether you're underway or at the dock. The new synthetic teak decking adds a modern, low-maintenance touch, enhancing both appearance and safety. This vessel just completed an extensive refit, ensuring it is truly turnkey and ready for adventure. At the stern, you'll find a spacious swim platform, perfect for boarding from the dock or enjoying water activities. The wide transom door allows effortless access to the cockpit, and the platform's synthetic teak finish is both stylish and practical. Stepping aboard, you'll immediately notice the quality of the recent upgrades. The cockpit is designed for entertaining and relaxation, with a full beam layout that maximizes usable space. The cockpit area is ideal for gatherings or quiet evenings on the water. The robust rails and wide decks ensure safety, while the synthetic teak continues the theme of modern elegance. Moving forward, the bow features easy access to the anchor and windlass controls, making anchoring simple and efficient. Accessing the Flybridge is safe and easy. At the aft of the Flybridge is a sun deck that includes room for table and chairs and features a wet bar. Entering the Flybridge enclosure, you'll find a commanding view and newly upgraded full Garmin electronics, providing state-of-the-art navigation and safety. The fresh Bimini and Strata-glass enclosure offers protection from the elements, making this a comfortable space in any weather. Equipment at the helm includes two Garmin chart plotters, autopilot control, VHF radio, and a wide range of instruments. Heading below is safe and secure on the wide steps. Step inside the spacious saloon, where generous headroom and large windows create a bright, inviting atmosphere. This area is perfect for relaxing and entertaining, with easy access to all other living spaces. To port, the dinette offers comfortable seating for meals or socializing. The Galley is to starboard and is fully equipped for extended cruising, featuring ample storage, solid surface countertops, a refrigerator and freezer, 3-burner stove and oven, and microwave, which all add to this vessel's convenience. There is an excellent view from the lower helm station. The lower helm station features a beautiful traditionally styled teak ship's wheel, engine controls, and instruments. The private forward stateroom features a V-berth, twin hanging lockers, and additional storage, providing comfort and privacy for owners or guests. A full head is located to starboard, complete with vanity, sink, electric toilet, and walk-in shower. The space is bright and well ventilated and finished with quality materials. The center cabin area offers additional storage and flexible space for guests or gear, making this Mainship 400 as practical as it is comfortable. Engine access is quick and effortless, located under a deck hatch in the salon. The twin 240 horsepower Yanmar diesel engines have been meticulously maintained, with recent mechanical upgrades ensuring reliability for years to come. A brand new 9 kilowatt Fisher Panda generator has been installed, providing reliable onboard power for all your cruising needs. This upgrade is part of the extensive investment made to ensure this vessel is truly turnkey. To book your appointment to view this exceptional Mainship 400, contact Lil Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas.